Hey guys, welcome to Living Gratefully, where we clean gratefully and we live gratefully too. Tonight we had delicious grilled chicken salads for dinner, and then we were going to leave the house at 7 to go throw axes. Yep, throw axes. Have y'all done that before? It was our first time. It was our family celebration for my birthday, and it was really neat, but I wanted to clean up the kitchen before heading out so we could just come home and relax afterwards. You can see that I don't have much time to do this. The clock says 6:45. We need to leave at 7, and I want to put everything away, wipe the counters, and vacuum, and also change my shirt before heading out. The theme for this channel is Cleaning Plus, so I have mostly cleaning inspiration videos, decluttering, home projects, clean and decorate with me type videos, and for the plus part, I like to include something not cleaning related on my channel, like an easy recipe or something fun we did or a shopping haul. But mostly we'll be cleaning, so let's get started on cleaning up this kitchen and stay tuned to the end of the video for some clips of us throwing some axes.
Tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud.
If y'all have been around for a while, you probably already know that I work well with a time limit. So having only 10 minutes gives me the pressure to work fast, but it also gives me the relief of knowing that there's no way I can mop, there's only so much I can do, and I can pick the things I'm going to be able to get done, and then I can call myself successfully done and I can move on to something fun.
In your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood.
And here are some shots of us throwing axes, and then we went and grabbed ice cream afterwards. We enjoyed sitting and chatting and catching up. It was a very nice night. I'm very thankful for the kids making me feel special and for the hugs and kisses and memories that we make together. Okay, y'all, that's it. I have so many videos planned out, some decluttering, reorganizing, and of course cleaning. And I want to make a little vanity area in my girly room, so be sure you're subscribed, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!